Good morning everyone. Today we are discuss perimeter and area chapter, which is chapter 13. See, perimeter and area, if we talk about perimeter and area, first of all we'll discuss the difference between what is perimeter and what is area. Suppose we'll take any closed figure, suppose this is any closed figure, okay, and if we'll talk about the perimeter, so it means perimeter means its boundary. We'll talking about its boundary, the sum of all sides. Okay, so these are the boundaries. Suppose we'll give them name A, B, C and D. So if we'll find out the perimeter, it means we'll add all these sides. Perimeter of this particular closed figure is AB plus BC plus CD plus D. Okay, and if we are talking about area of this closed figure, it means the inside region of this figure is known as area of this figure. So if the area of the figure is different from every figure, if the figure is in regular, we'll find out the formula, we'll know the formula to find out the area of any type of figure. Okay, here we are discuss about perimeter and area of rectangle, shape of rectangle and square. So now I am going to tell you, suppose you know that square, in square you know that all sides are equal. Okay, so if we find out the perimeter of square, so perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. Okay, because all sides are equal. And if we find out the area of this square, so area of square is equal to side into side, or we can write side square. Now I am going to discuss area and perimeter of rectangle. So area or perimeter of rectangle, we know that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Suppose I give the name of this rectangle ABCD. So see, this side AB is equal to CD and DA is equal to BC. So in this figure, it means if we find out the perimeter of rectangle, then we'll use the formula 2 into L plus B. And if we find out the area of rectangle, so your formula will be L into. So these are the basic formula to find out area and perimeter of square and rectangle, which is we are going to use in this exercise 13.1. Now I am going to discuss question number 15 of this exercise 13.1. And the question is, the floor of the room is in the shape of a square. Suppose one room is there and the shape of this room is a square. So first of all, write exercise 13.1. All of you note down this question on your fair notebook. Question number 15. And the shape of the room is given, which is the shape of square. Okay. Square room. Okay, so the square room, so that's why only one side is given, which is 4.8 meter. One side is given, which is 4.8 meter. Okay, and the question is, the floor is to be covered with square tiles. मतलब एक फ्लोर रूम है जो कि स्क्वायर शेप का है एंड उसमें जो टाइल्स लगाए जा रहे हैं, दिस वन इज ऑल्सो इन द शेप ऑफ स्क्वायर. But in this time, the area of the tile is not given. Perimeter of the tile is given. So first of all, we'll find out. Suppose आपने यहाँ पर क्या लगाने हैं, टाइल्स लगाने हैं. टाइल्स भी किस शेप के हैं? स्क्वायर शेप. Okay. And whose perimeter is given? So first of all, we will find out the area of this square room. So side of a square room, which is given 4.8 meter. So area of a square room, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया है area of a square room is equal to side square side square. Here side is 4.8, so 4.8 square means 4.8 multiplied by 4.8, which is equal to 2304. After that we'll put the decimal, one digit and two digits, so 23.04, and the unit is meter square. Okay, so area of the square room is 23.04. Now it is given the floor is in the covered with the, अब इस रूम को हमें कवर करना है किससे, स्क्वायर टाइल से, whose perimeter is given. तो perimeter of a square tile is given 1.2, and we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So by using this we'll find out the side of this square tile. Okay, so 1.2, so side is equal to 1.2 upon 4, which is equal to 0.3 meter. So side of a square which is 0.3 meter. Afterwards we'll find out the area of this square tile also. So area of this square tile, area of a tile 0.3 into 0.3, which is equal to 0.09 meter square. Now we'll find out the area of the square room also and area of the tile also. Now the question is, find the cost of covering the floor if each tile costs 27. So first of all we'll find out how many tiles we will put in this square room. So finding out number of tiles required to fit in this room, what we can do, we have to divide the area of the room divided by area of one tile. So number of tiles required is equal to area of the room upon area of a tile. Area of a tile divided. So area of room is equal to 23.04 upon area of tile is equal to 0.0. In here both are the decimal place in both the values are equal, which is equal. We will remove this and we'll divide it. After dividing we'll get 256. So how many number of tiles we'll put in this square room? 256 tiles. You will find out the cost of covering the floor if each tile, if the cost of each tile is 27, then find out the total amount to put the tiles in this particular room. So cost of one tile is equal to 27. So therefore cost of 256 tiles 256 tiles is equal to 256 into 27. Multiply it, and after multiplying we will find out the answer 69 rupees 6912. Okay, so it means we have to give 6,912 rupees to covering this square room to put the square tile. Okay, now I am going to discuss the next question number 16 of this exercise, the same exercise 13.1, and the question is, a rectangular plot of a land is 50 meter wide. The cost of fencing the plot at the rate of rupees 18 per meter is rupees 4,680. It means what values are given in this question. एक rectangular plot है, okay, whose breadth is given, which is 50 meter, and the cost of fencing, and if we are talking about fencing, it means fencing जो होता है वो हमेशा boundary पे होती है. It means we'll talk about the perimeter. Okay, but in this question perimeter is not given. In place of perimeter they give the value, the amount which we have to pay for fencing this particular rectangular plot, and the amount of per meter square cost of the fencing, which is 18 rupees. Okay, and you will find out two parts are given. We have to find the length of the plot, and the second part is cost of leveling the plot at the rate of 7.6 per meter square. Okay, so first of all I'll show the figure to explain it again of this question. Type of question, first of all you will draw the figure, which is very important. So the shape of this plot is rectangle, okay, whose breadth is given, which is 50 meter. Okay, and the cost of fencing. अब if we are talking about fencing, आप समझिए fencing करनी, fencing it means perimeter की बात कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, it means perimeter हमें मालूम होना चाहिए, है ना. और इफ पैरीमीटर में हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, फॉर फेंसिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लॉट वी नो दैट द फेंसिंग मल्टीप्लाइड बाय वट एवर द मनी, इट मीन्स सपोज इन दिस क्वेश्चन इज 18 रुपीज 18 पर मीटर, 18 पर मीटर की कॉस्ट से इसमें फेंसिंग हो रही है, एंड द टोटल कॉस्ट गिवन बाय द पर्सन इज 4,680 rupees. Okay, so fencing boundary per rate, it means perimeter multiplied by 18 per meter square cost, perimeter जो इस बाउंड्री पे फेंसिंग करनी है multiplied by 18 per meter square, which is equal to, according to question is 4680. yes, rupees 4680 इतनी मनी उसने दी है for fencing of this particular rectangular plot. Okay, so by using this we find out the perimeter. So perimeter, here it is a multiplication, when we will transpose it will be in divide. So perimeter is equal to 4680 upon 18, which is equal to 260. So perimeter of this rectangular plot is equal to 260. Okay, and we know that the formula to find perimeter of rectangle, we know that the formula perimeter is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B is equal to 260. Now I am going to put the value. Here breadth is 50 meter, this particular rectangular plot whose breadth is 50 meter. So 2 into L we have to find out. B is 50 meter is equal to 260. Now I am going to solve it. What we can do, we will transpose this 2 from right hand side. Here it is in multiplication. When we will transpose, we will divide. So L plus 50 is equal to 260 upon 2, which is equal to 130. L plus 50. L is equal to 130 minus 50 is equal to 80. Okay, so length is 80 meter. According to your question, first part you have to find out the length of this plot. So length of the plot is 80 meter. Now the second part is cost of leveling the plot. Suppose हमें इस plot को level करना है, मतलब equal करना है, तो means level करना है, तो level किस पे करना है, area पे करना है इस plot के. Okay, so it means we'll find out the area. In the second part, first of all, we'll find out the area of this plot. So area of the plot is equal to L into L is 80 and B is 50. Both are meter square. 8 5s are 40 meter square. So 4000 meter square. So the area of this rectangular plot is 4000 meter square. So the covering, we have to cover this, we will find out the cost of covering the plot if the rate of covering is 7.6 per meter square. So we write since cost of leveling the plot per meter square is equal to rupees 7.6. It is given 7.6, yes, 7.6. So therefore cost of leveling the plot, how much? 4000 meter square is equal to 4000 multiplied by 7.6, which is equal to 30400. It means cost of leveling this rectangular plot whose area is 4000 is rupees 30,400. So this is the solution of second part of this question number 16. Now you have to try these two questions by your own again. Okay, then bye.